The mysteries of the unknown have always fascinated the human mind. It's not surprising for experts to say that India is a beautiful yet deliciously mysterious country that beholds the secrets and stories of a lot of palaces and their kings, of treasures and their keys, of those who died a painful death and are now a part of the broken synchrony that is reality. Which is why a lot of forts or palaces or beaches or even just another valley in India has a history or a twist of mystery attached to it, or something which makes a more interesting case. With a sign put up by the Archaeological Survey of India, prohibiting visitors post-sundown. The ghost town of Banna is one of the scariest, spookiest places you could possibly imagine, not to mention, one of the most haunted places in India. Situated near a popular forest, this town is now slowly luring visitors from around the area and country, for all the wrong reasons. A variety of legends surround the circumstances under which the sprawling fort complex was abandoned. The story which this town is well known for tells the tale of a magician or evil saint who fell in love with the local princess of the area even though their match was impossible. Being quite the master of dark magic, he decided to cast a spell on her to make her surrender to him. However, the princess learned of his plans and found a way to kill him by flinging the potion onto a boulder, which then rolled down toward the magician, physically crushing him. Before taking his final breath, he cursed the fort, saying it would end up in a state in which no one could live, as it is today. Speaking to locals from nearby villages, we'll get to a host of newer, stranger myths and legends. But what is widely accepted as true is that a few fatal accidents have taken place in the fort in the past, mostly involving tourists, which prompted the Archaeological Survey of India to post its sign prohibiting visitors between sunset and sunrise. However, spending full nights in the haunted fort is still an adventure people partake in almost too frequently. If you decide to visit this place after the sun has gone down, you won't be allowed to. In fact, there is a strict warning about how dangerous this place becomes after sunset. Despite Banna Fort being regarded as one of the most horror-haunted places in India, has been officially promoted as a tourist destination. However, once the night falls and the darkness takes over, this place becomes deserted, leaving it prey to the supposed supernatural. Hope you liked the video. Do share your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice day.